Hey guys, welcome to Voice Bootcamp. This is Faisal Khan and I'm going to show you how to configure ECC variable in UCCE Enterprise to transfer transfer data between CVP and UCCE server. Now, there are various variables that we need in order to configure our system. These are some of the most commonly used variables that we will need in order to get our application script running. The one that we are very concerned about for now are the following. We need the system library, color input. We will need the input type, locale, media server, and play data. Now again, each one of these macro app does different things, pass different information. These are some of the name for ECC variable. We can of course create our own variable, which I'll show it to you in the in different lab. But in order to configure ECC variable, the first thing we need to do is to enable the system to support ECC variable. We do that by going to configuration, enterprise, system information, go to system information, and there we're going to enable this option called expanded call context variable. So check this option. Now while you're here, make sure the VRU default network VRU is set to your CVP. This is important, otherwise the call will not successfully go through. Alright, so now that we have configured the expanded call variables, we are going to go to our tools, and select expanded call variables. And like I said, right now we're not going to configure everything, we're just only going to configure that we need. So app media library, this is a variable that's going to define the subfolder where your prompts are located. Color input will define the user enter data. Input type is the DTMF or pulse. So it's important that we define what kind of input type it is, whether it's a DTMF, pulse, or whether it's a text to speech like TTS. So that's what defines it. Locale to define the language, whether it's the English, different or Spanish or different other languages. Again, each one of them has a defined maximum length, as you can see. Then the media server, which will be used for length, defining a length, and this is your media server. So media server is the